Task time. The sound of T. Look, there's a list. Task. Task 1, Task 2, Task 3, Task 4, and Task 5. That's all the list. Take out the tent, tilt the poles, tuck the flap, push the stake, catch some fish. Task 1, take out the tent. So there it is, getting it all unfolded, spreading it out. Task 2, tilt the poles. See the poles? They hold up the tent. You put them in special places. Task 3, tuck the flap. See how they have it down in the ground? And they got to tuck that flap all the way down. Hold up the tent. Task 4, push the stake. See, here's the tent, the leg of the tent, the poles. Puts the stake down the ground. See the stake? All the way in the ground. Hold the tent down. Task 5, catch some fish. That's a big, nice big fish. Lots of water. Task 6, toss the fish into a tub. Big orange tub. Task 7, light the fire. Got a nice fire going. Just have to be careful around the fire. Stay back, huh? Task 8, tip the pan. And there's the pan. Task 5, fry the fish. You can have something to eat. And task 10, get to sleep by 10. The word list: take, task, 10, tent, tilt, tip, toss, to, toss, tub, tuck. The sound of T. For more books and resources, you can just go to homeschoolforlife.org.